Hello everyone, welcome to part 99 of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. Sorry today that we're going to be mostly filming in pitch black, but I wanted to wrap up this series tonight because I am excited for the next one. I have had a great time filming this one with you guys, but yeah, we still have two principles left here, and this is our 99th principle, so what is this one all about? This one, I'm doing a little walk and talk kind of style thing here in the almost pitch black, but really the style here of this one, this one has a absolutely fantastic principle that is about a walk with love and death. And he says that first off, we have the idea of the fear-love dichotomy as well depicted here, where he says that fear and love are opposites, not love and hate kind of thing, but fear and love. Fear will always be destructive, love will always be good. And this is very true, okay? Anytime you have an emotion that is negative, it is fear-based. Anytime you have a positive emotion, it is love-based. There is just basically no exception to this. This happens all the time. And so when you recognize your emotions, you can see the fearful emotions are what's going to tear you down, and the loving emotions are what are going to go and build you up. So promote the loving emotions and get rid of the fearful ones. But anyway, I have some videos on that already, and one of them's in like my first 5 videos I ever made for this channel on self-help. So check those out under the Enlightened Life. Anyway, back to the main idea here, though. The walk with love is the just trying to be loving while you're going walking. And the walk with death, he says, is to use death to motivate yourself. Now, I personally don't find the death motivation to be effective. I don't think that it's worth doing, but you guys may very well think that it's a good idea. So if you guys like it, give it a shot. I personally don't, so I wouldn't recommend that part. But when you go out walking, it can solve a lot of your problems. And I think the big thing about this one, I mean, we have, like, I do this personally. Of course, Steve Chandler has done this, as it's his principle here. Charles Dickens, another good example of somebody who does the whole, like, going out and walking, doing the walk with love, and trying to figure out the answers to problems, to feel more free, to figure out solutions to things. Steve Chandler, though, also in this part mentions the idea that when you go walking, you have a cross-pattern effect where you're moving your right arm and your left leg simultaneously. And this is similar to the cross-pattern effect of the brain working together, of the right part of the brain working with the left, the conscious part of the mind working with the subconscious, etc. Anyway, but yeah, that's our 99th principle. Go walking, and you can find yourself a lot more motivated. It's also a great source of exercise. You can do walking apps or Sweatcoin or anything that's going to, motivate you in that direction. And yeah, overall, it's a great thing to do, and walking can be really good exercise. So yeah, go walking, and you can motivate yourself too. So yeah. Anyway, that's about it for our principle here. I will see you guys next time with our final principle. And so yeah, wrap up the series. Stay tuned. I'll see you then.